Math is a wonderful thing.
It's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be
Math is a really cool thing. Let's do some math.
Here we have an integer problem with subtraction. We are subtracting two negative integers. Now, if you remember the integer rules song, we know that we have to change the minus to a plus and change the sign of next. So this negative 8 is going to stay the same. However, we're going to take this minus sign and change it into a plus. Now we change the sign of next. So the sign on the next number needs to be changed. This here is a negative 9, so we need to change it to a positive 9. Now we have an addition problem, which we know how to do. It's easy. Okay, different signs subtract. So we will subtract. We have 9 minus 8, and that actually equals 1. So we know that we take the sign of the larger number. 9 is bigger than 8, so we know that the answer is a positive 1. We have another subtraction problem here. So this time we have a positive integer and a negative integer. Now again, remember the song. Change the minus to a plus, change the sign of next. So we'll keep the 8 just like it is, change the minus to a plus, and then we'll change the sign of next. So instead of a negative 13, it's a positive 13. And now this is a very simple addition problem. 8 plus 13 equals 21. And now integers are nowhere near as scary as you thought they would be. Here we have another example of subtracting integers, where the second integer is actually bigger than the first integer. They're both positive, but the second one is bigger. Now before, whenever you did any subtracting, the first number was always bigger. Here, it's different. But we're going to use the same exact rules. So we have to change the minus to a plus, change the sign of next. So currently we have a 14 that we're not going to mess with. 14, change the minus to a plus. Now that means that this here is a positive 32. So changing the sign would mean that we change it into a negative 32. So 14 plus negative 32. Now we got to think back to the other parts of the song. Different signs subtract. So we'll change it around and go 32 minus 14. Have to borrow. 12 minus 4 is 8. 18. So we know that the answer is going to be 18. Take the sign of the larger number. Well, 32 is larger. Take the sign negative. We have our answer, negative 18.